Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited text-to-speech in Google AI Studio. First, open your browser like Google Chrome and go to the official website of Google AI Studio. Next, from the left side, go to the playground section. Here, click on text-to-speech and music to open the audio generation tools. Now, you will see different model options. Select a model like Lyra 3 Pro Preview, Lyra 3 Clip Preview, or Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS, depending on your requirements. These models allow you to generate high-quality voice output. After selecting the model, move to the prompt section. Here, you can start setting up your audio. You may see options like Speaker 1 or Speaker 2, which let you choose different voice styles. Next, click on New Chat and then select the mode as single speaker audio if you want one voice. This helps keep the output clean and consistent. Now, describe the style of your dialogue. For example, you can write the tone, mood, or speaking style you want, such as casual, professional, or energetic. After that, enter the text that you want to convert into speech. Make sure your text is clear so the output sounds natural. Then, click on Run CTRL to start generating the audio. The system will process your request and create the voice output. Once it's done, you can listen to the generated audio directly and check if it matches your requirements. You can also generate or adjust the prompt if needed to get better results. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.